Alright guys, welcome back to another tropical weather update video. And Arthur is strengthening further as we speak. Yesterday we were seeing some dry air really slowing down the storm, and Recon almost dropped the storm down to 40 miles per hour. But right now we're seeing the system back up to 15 miles per hour, moving at 60 miles per hour, and minimum central pressure of 993. That's a little bit old now. We're about at 991 at the moment. Looking at the recon, so it found some pretty high winds. All right, not gonna lie. It really found some rather high winds. Really surprised by that. We went all the way up to 60 knots, which is almost 70 miles per hour. So this is almost a hurricane. Very strong tropical storm, guys. Much stronger than what we were seeing yesterday. But so sadly, tomorrow morning this will not be tropical anymore. So hopefully by 9 p.m. we see it strengthen to maybe 60 miles per hour. They'll probably upgrade it to 60 miles per hour, and then by tomorrow it will be ex-tropical. So it'll be the end of the system. This was a very interesting system to try, though. This is going to be the last update on the system. After this, we're going to be watching the tropics for the rest. But as you can see in those later frames, it's really stretching out. The convection is slowing down, and this is already turning ex-tropical at the moment. Really, we can see all the convection stretching out a lot, and by the later frames, it doesn't even really look like a tropical storm anymore. So it has pretty much turned ex-tropical by this point. But the models are still indicating a possible 60 miles per hour in the next 24 hours. So we'll have to see how that goes. But the models are rather behind. The system will start leaving the North Carolina. They did get some gusty winds, as you can see where the system is. Gusty winds, high seas. Weather Hub TV actually has a video on some of the high seas if you guys want to check that out. But this is going to be the end for Tropical Storm Arthur. It was very fun and interesting to track this. So yeah, 993 is what the GFS has it at, which is exactly what it's at. But this will be turning ex-tropical. Like I said, looking at the track now. So if we look, so National Hurricane Center, hold up, let me pull the track so that we can look. Next, we'll probably be seeing some impact in Bermuda with this system. Most likely as a depression, though. So just some heavy rain, most likely. And we can see some tropical storm winds did affect the Outer Banks, but very slightly. But that's the system, guys. This is what it's been doing, how it evolved. And now we'll stop tracking this, but we're still looking out for a next system. And if we look, let me just put North Atlantic. We're looking at our next system. So our next system is gonna most likely. This is what we're gonna be watching at least in the Caribbeans. Boom, 1,005 millibars right here in the Caribbeans, and then moving 1,002, and then just staying there, going over Cuba, and then potentially going out to sea. So this is what we could be tracking. I don't think this is going to be higher than a tropical storm. It looks like it's going to potentially be tropical in the Caribbeans and then become ex-tropical when it merges with this kind of weird front thing in the Western Atlantic or Eastern Atlantic. So we might be seeing a tropical depression to a tropical storm. Most models are indicating that GFS, ICON, I believe CMC, European models, and Japanese models are all hinting towards a possible system. Even if it's not this one, we're still going to be looking at the Caribbeans and the Gulf of Mexico for the next couple of weeks, even through August. Right now, though, we were seeing some potential something happening near Africa with a low pressure system coming out of Africa, but nothing really seems to be doing anything. So we potentially won't. We were potentially going to see something, but it doesn't look like this is going to be happening. So we're going to have to see. But this could be birth lab. But anyways, this is our last tropical weather update on Tropical Storm Arthur. Here's the latest satellite imagery with 50 miles per hour. Recon found 60 to 65, even almost 69 mile per hour winds. And this will most likely get upgraded to 69 mile or like 65 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour by the 9 p.m. update. This has been Lasty News. Don't forget to subscribe for more news and update, and subscribe to my main channel, Lasty Gaming. Thanks for watching.